So good day everyone, we have a problem from pretest quiz. So number 86. For large speed ratio and large sprocket utilizing is recommended because materials since the large sprocket tip are having fewer engagement. So A, added steel, B, iron, C, variable iron, so D, heat treated steel. So the answer is variable iron. So variable iron is not good for large sprocket with fewer teeth engagement. So number 87 is roller bearing is utilized on carrying capacity and it's better than ball bearing is the condition. So A, high temperature, B, heavy load, C, low load, D is reversing load. So the answer is letter B, having heavy load. So roller bearings carrying heavier loads than ball bearings. So number 88, to enhance mechanical properties, fabrication characteristic, or any other attributes of steel, some elements are added in melting in specific range or minimum aside from carbon and generally term. So A is Bessemer steel, B is alloy steel, so AI is I steel, so D is SAE steel. So the answer is alloy steel. So alloy steel with added element to improve properties. So number 89, materials having thermal expansion of about 10 times higher than the of metals and has more heat generated during machining is A, aluminum, B, plastic, C, asbestos, and D is PVC. So the answer is B, plastic. Expand much more than metals and generate more in heating machining. So last number is number 19. To hold to minimum the axial direction of deflection movement, a separate class bearing or preloaded bearing capable of absorbing considerable load is required. The types of bearing to use is A, blank. So bearing A is double row angular contact, B is wide types self-aligning, C is tempered roller bearing, so D is deep groove ball. So the answer is tapered roller bearing. So if it is bearing is handless axial and middle loads with less deflection. That's all. Thank you.